Good morning, everybody. Happy October. Happy Monday. I wanted to come on and film a quick video going over your week at a glance or your schedule for this upcoming week. Starting with today, which is Monday, the first thing on your agenda for me is your Do Now. That is located on Google Classroom. So that is the first assignment that you should be completing and turning in for me today. Once the Do Now is complete, today and tomorrow you guys will be watching a documentary. I found a version of it on YouTube, thankfully, because I only own it on DVD. The documentary is with Elie Wiesel, who is the author of Night, and Oprah Winfrey. It was filmed a few years ago in which the two of them go to Auschwitz concentration camp together. They walk through the camp and Elie relives his experiences with Oprah and talks about quite a few things that we observed and heard about throughout the Book of Night. So today you will be watching part 1. It is about 15 minutes long. I will tell you where to stop. After you have watched those 15 minutes of the documentary, then you have video questions that need to be answered and submitted regarding the content that you are watching in the documentary. Tomorrow, Tuesday, you will watch the second half of the documentary and do the same thing, answer video questions and submit them on Google Classroom for me as well. I wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about the documentary. It is factual, it is sad, and so with the documentary, there are images that are quite graphic and upsetting, and if you are somebody who does not do well with that, what I would recommend is that you do not watch the documentary, but instead just turn it on and listen to it either with headphones or just have it playing in the background. If you are sensitive to those kinds of images that will be displayed throughout the documentary. So it is not a necessity for you to watch, but do at least listen so that you can answer the video questions and turn those in for me. I did want to give that warning. So please, 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 if you are sensitive to graphic images, do not feel the need to watch the visuals with the documentary. Simply listen to them so you can answer the questions. After completing the documentary over the course of Monday and Tuesday and turning in the video questions, Wednesday will be a day of review because on Thursday you will have an exam on the entire book, Night. Wednesday, after your Do Now is completed, you will look at a character chart. There is, and I'll go ahead and tell you this now, there is a portion on the exam in which you will be matching character names to their character descriptions. And so I want to give you the opportunity to map out all of the characters, keep track of their descriptions so that you can get that into your head, study it, try to memorize it before your exam on Thursday. After the character chart is completed, I will then have a brief review activity posted on Google Classroom for you to complete, and this will help you prepare for the exam the next day. The exam itself will be mostly multiple choice. There will be a character matching section, as I've already stated. There will be a true-false section, and then at the very end, there will be a brief short answer section. That's not too difficult. So you will have that review activity on Wednesday to help prepare you for the exam. Thursday, you will complete a Do Now and then take the exam, and that is your only assignment for that day. It is done through Google Forms, and this one is on locked mode. The quizzes, you are allowed to use your notes and your book. I am asking that you please do not use either of those for the exam. So it should be locked, meaning you cannot open any other tab while you are taking the test. You cannot close out of the test or you will lose all of your progress. And so for the exam, please make sure you are mapping out a slotted time period where you will not be disturbed or disrupted so that you can take the test in its completion and then submit it. The grade that you that you will receive at the end is not the grade that goes into the grade book, because I have got to go back in and add in all of your short answer questions since the computer does not grade those. So whatever grade you receive at the end of the test, just know that that will change before it goes into the grade book, because I will go in and read all of your short answer responses and give you credit back for those. There will also be an extra credit portion at the very end, and the extra credit questions all deal with the Ellie and Oprah documentary that you are watching today and tomorrow. So that's another reason it is important for you to make sure that documentary gets watched if you want those extra credit points. Finally, Friday, we are moving on from our first novel unit after your exam. You have completed your first reading unit for this semester, so congratulations. And we will move on to our second writing unit. So there will be a do now. You will then read through the prompts, choose one like you did similar to last writing unit, and then you will complete a brainstorm for the essay, again similar to last writing unit. And starting next week, we will begin writing your second essay, and I will walk you through that. So again, I just wanted to come on here and give you this kind of overview, let you know what you'll be doing this week. For those of you who have not been on Zoom meetings with me, you might have missed this, but every day I will be holding a Zoom meeting at 10 a.m. Please only join this 10 a.m. meeting if you have specific questions for me, if you need one-on-one help with something. It is not a time for me to just generally go over everything, because I do that on our Wednesday and Friday meetings. Only attend the 10 a.m. Zoom if you really have that specific question that you need answered or that help that you need. Other than that, you do not have to attend the 10 a.m. meetings every day. Those are just for your convenience and for your assistance. Otherwise, you're just attending the Wednesday meeting and the Friday meeting like usual. I think that's all that I have for you guys today. So a reminder that today and tomorrow during the documentary with the author of Night and Oprah Winfrey, if you are sensitive to images, please do not feel the need to watch it. Just listen to it so you can answer the video questions. All right, I hope you have a great week, and please send me any emails or ask me any questions that you need throughout the course of the week. And I will see you all soon. Bye.